Section 3132, Example 6. A hockey game has ended in a tie after a 5-minute overtime period, so the winner will be decided by a shootout. The coach must decide whether Ellen or Brittany should go first in the shootout. The coach would prefer to use her best scorer first, so she will base her decision on the player's shootout records. Who should go first? So there are two players here, Ellen and Brittany. The number of attempts or the total number of outcomes. And the goals scored is our favorable outcomes. So let's take a look at Ellen. The probability of Ellen scoring. Probability is our favorable over our total. Our favorable outcome 8 out of 13. And if we write that as a percentage, is 61.5%. Brittany, the probability for Brittany scoring is again favorable over total. So we have 10 out of 17. If we divide that, we end up with a probability of 58.8%. The coach wants to choose her best scorer. Ellen has the higher probability of scoring, so she should choose Ellen.